So good evening, welcome to Edu Math Zone. So welcome to 10th class, 10th standard Andhra Pradesh and Telangana revision classes. Okay, now today we shall discuss the polynomial chapter. Polynomials. Polynomials. Revision. This is part 1. Today is the first session. Okay, are you there all of you? Yes or no? Right. First let us discuss okay, one more questions. One more questions. Okay. Lakshmi, yes, welcome. First question, give an example for first question, linear, second, quadratic, third, cubic polynomial. See, in the examination you are asked to give an example. Okay, Sri Salem, welcome, good evening. You are asked to give an example for linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. So first question, linear polynomial. Example for linear polynomial. So example for linear polynomial means, say one example, you can say 3x. One example enough, but one more also I will give, 5x plus 3. One more example also, ax plus b. This form is called linear polynomial. But you are asked one example, but I have given 3 examples. So like this, these are the example for the linear polynomial. Second one is the quadratic polynomial. Example for quadratic polynomial. You are asked to write quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means examples. Say one example, 3x square plus 5. Second example, you can write 5x square. Third example, x square minus 5x plus 6. In general form of the quadratic polynomial is like this. Degree is 2. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a does not equal to 0. So these are the examples for the quadratic polynomial. Kishore, day after tomorrow I will be going to Chennai tomorrow, and Monday onwards your classes will be continued. Next, third one. Third one is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Okay, next cubic polynomial is example for the cubic polynomial. 7x cube or 5x cube plus 2x square plus 7x plus 8, or general form of the cubic polynomial will be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a does not equal to 0. So that means I will give one condition. If you are asked to give one example, you give this example, ax plus b, linear polynomial. So next, this is quadratic polynomial. So this is cubic polynomial, or anything also you can give related to that. Now the second question. Second question. Second question. Okay, are you there? Right. Second question. If p of x equals to 7x to the power of 8 minus 6 times x to the power of 5 plus 3x square plus 9, then find first one, degree of p of x, degree of this polynomial. First question. Second question, coefficient of x to the power of 5, coefficient of x to the power of 5. Third, coefficient of x to the power of 0, coefficient of x to the power of 0. Bunny Patel, welcome. Right. So this is p of x is given that 7x to the power of 8 minus 6x to the power of 5 plus 3x square plus 9. So its degree is actually 8. This is called 8th order polynomial. This is called 8th order polynomial or 8th degree polynomial. 8th degree polynomial. Okay. So that means here 2, 5, here actually constant term is we can write x to the power of 0. 0, 2, 5, 8 powers. Highest power is 8. The highest power of the variable is called degree of p of x. So degree is 8 here. So that means answer we can write like this now. Solution. First question. Degree of p of x equal to highest, this one, 8. Next, second question. Coefficient of x to the power of 5. Coefficient of x to the power of 5 means before x to the power of 5, what is the constant term we have? Minus 6. So minus 6 is called coefficient of x to the power of 5 here. Next, third one is coefficient of x to the power of 0. This is called constant term also. Constant term. What is the constant term here? The 9 is the constant term. So answer is 9. I think it is clear to you all. Right. Third one. Venkat Reddy. Good night. Third one. Write the polynomial. Write the polynomial that is having first one 1 0, only 1 0. Second, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Third one, no 0. That means no zeros. No zeros. Let us write it. So you are asked to write the example of the polynomial which is having one zero, two zeros and no zeros. So first one, let us write first one. Example for 1 0. So now say p of x equals to 1 0 means you can say 5x square. Example, you see if 5x square equals to 0, you get x square equals to 0. Now x is equal to root of 0, you get 0. It has only one 0. Example for two zeros means say p of x is equal to something x square minus 4. See, if you equate x square minus 4 is equal to 0, how many x values do you get it? You need to get two x values, then we say that it has two zeros. Example for two zeros. X square is equal to 4, x is equal to square root of 4, so you get plus or minus 2. It has two zeros. Third one is no zeros. No zeros means, my dear children, you remember this example. X square plus 1, x square plus 4, x square plus 5. So this is very important. You remember this one. This is very, very important problem. No zeros means give this example. Give this example. Next, fourth one. Fourth one is 1 upon 3x plus 5 is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Okay, Monica, welcome. Vidya Swarupini. Justify your answer. See. So now the solution. Now consider this p of x is equal to 1 upon 3x plus 5. This we can write 3x plus 5 whole to the power of negative 1 minus 1. Because something, anything 1 by y is there, you can write y to the power of minus 1. So power is negative. Power should not be negative. So in a polynomial, power should not be negative. So it is not a polynomial. Since power of the, or directly write down, no problem. No, it is not a polynomial. And moreover, it may have infinite number of terms also. It write down like this. Since it has infinite number of terms. Infinite number of terms. This is the reason. Number of terms. Because this concept will be learnt or dealt in higher classes. Erpula Ramalingaya. Welcome. It is not a polynomial since it has an infinite number of terms. Because you are asked to justify also your answer. So that's why 1 upon 3x plus 5 is not a polynomial. Okay. Who is that, Mr. Ramu? You will be removed. You will be removed. Idiot. Right. So now the fifth question. Fifth question. Yes. If p of x equals to, if p of x equals to 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Then find p of minus 1 minus p of 1. So these type of questions are very important for 1 mark questions, Nana. All of you try to concentrate here. Okay, are you there, all of you? Just give your, once again say yes or no, yes or no. P of x equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Then find p of minus 1 minus p of 1. So what is the plan means here? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me continue. Let me continue. Okay, Harish, Ganesh. Okay, Vijay Swarupini. Right. So first, what is the plan means here? First, find p of minus 1. Okay. Second, next find p of 1. Next, find p of minus 1 minus p of 1. Subtract p of 1 from p of minus 1. So I will explain how to find out also. Don't worry. Here see the solution. Given, this is the given data. P of x equals to 3x square minus 5x plus 2. First, p of minus 1 we need to find out. How to find out p of minus 1? Now, p of minus 1, in the place of x, write down minus 1. That is 3 times minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 2. See, minus 1 square means that is minus 1 into minus 1. So you get plus 1. So that is 3 into 1 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 plus 2. So we have 3 plus 5 plus 2. That is 3 plus 5, 8 plus 2, 10. That is p of minus 1. Right, Nana Swarupini? Very good, very good. Right. Next, now p of 1. P of 1. P of 1 is equal to 3 times 1 square minus 5 times 1 plus 2. That means 3 into 1 square is 1 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 2. So here very interesting, 3 1 ja 3 minus 5 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So p of minus 1 is 10. P of 1 is equal to 0. Subtract 0 from 10. You get 10 itself only. So now therefore p of minus 1 minus p of 1. So go back to the previous page. In previous page, p of minus 1 is 10. P of 1 is 0. So let us substitute 10 minus 0. So we get 10. So all of you understood? Yes or no, you need to chat. All of you understood this question? Yes or no, you need to chat. This is fifth question. Now sixth question. Sixth question. Okay. Sixth question. So what is the plan? I will tell the plan. So what is the strategy to solve this problem? So first say P of x equals to x square minus 7x plus 12. So we need to check that 4 is the 0 of the polynomial or not. So that means find P of 4. Find P of 4. So find P of 4. So find P of 4. Suppose P of 4 equals to 0, then we say that 4 is the 0 of P of x. Okay, so that means now, so we need to consider like this solution. This is given. This is given. So this is given. P of x equals to x square minus 7x plus 4. Now find P of 4. So P of 4 equals to 4 square minus 7 times 4 plus 4. Why should we consider 4? We need to check that 4 is the 0. 4 is the 0 of this polynomial or not. 4 square is 16 minus 28 plus 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 28. This will be minus 8. Does not equal to 0. So therefore 4 is not the 0 of P of x equals to okay, 4 is not the 0 of P of x is equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. This is the answer. Okay, next, seventh question. Find the sum and product. Find the sum and product of the zeros of P of x equals to x square minus 5x minus 4. Okay, in this question we are asked to find out see, sum and product of the zeros of this polynomial we need to find out. Okay, first how to find out I will explain here. See, so let us make a plan like this. First, compare this polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c. We need to compare with ax square plus bx plus c. Write a value. A value means coefficient of x square, that is 1. Write b value. B value is minus 5. C value is constant term, that is negative 4. So what we need to find out? Sum. Sum is actually zeros are denoted by alpha and beta. Sum equals to alpha plus beta is equal to formula we have minus b by a. And next product. Product is given by alpha beta is equal to c by a. So using these two formulae, sum and product of the zeros we can find out. So let us solve it first. Now the solution. Here given p of x equals to x square minus 5x minus 4. Okay. Comparing with p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, we have x square means x square coefficient is 1. So a equals to 1. Minus 5x, x coefficient is minus 5. So b is equal to minus 5. Constant term is negative 4. C equals to minus 4. Now first, Sirisha. Okay, very good Sirisha. First sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is equal to formula alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. B is minus 5, a is 1. So we get minus of minus 5 upon 1. So minus into minus plus 5 by 1, 5. Answer is 5. Next, product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. Yes. Product of the zeros. So product of the zeros is equal to alpha beta, that is formula c by a. See, go to the back, c by a. C means how much actually here? Minus 4. A is 1. So we can write minus 4 by 1. So that equals to minus 4 is completed answer. Okay. Next, eighth question. Eighth question. Right. Eighth question. Check one minute. So today somebody is disturbing us. We do not know who is he. Okay, leave it. Check whether negative 1 by 4 is the zero of the polynomial of the polynomial 4x square plus 5x plus 1. This is the question. This is also very important question. Very important question. Check whether negative 1 by 4 is the 0 of the polynomial 4x square plus 5x plus 1. That means, first of all, what is the good evening Shravani, good evening Shravani. So what is the plan means? What is the plan means? First let us say p of x equals to 4x square plus 5x plus 1. Next we need to check this is the 0 or not. That means find p of minus 1 by 4. Suppose if p of minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0, then this is 0. Otherwise it is not 0. That we need to write it. Okay. So now you try this question, all of you. Try this question. Are you there, all of you? Very good, Pooja. Ganesh. Okay. See, this need to be done like this. Solution. So given p of x equals to 4x square plus 5x plus 1. Now find p of minus 1 by 4. P of minus 1 by 4. This is 4 times minus 1 by 4 whole square plus 5 times minus 1 by 4 plus 1. Okay. Now 4 times minus 1 by 4 whole square means minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4. This is 1 by 16. So we can write 1 by 16. This is minus 5 by 4 plus 1. 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja. So this is we have 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4 plus 1. Next take the LCM. 4 is the LCM. 4 4 cancel 1, 4 4 cancel minus 5, 4 1 ja 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 upon 4. So 0 by 4. 0 by 4 is 0 by something is 0. So therefore minus 1 by 4 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x equals to 4x square plus 5x plus 1. Okay, ninth question. Let us solve ninth question now. Find the remainder Find the remainder when x cube plus 2x square minus 9x minus 20 is divided by x plus 3. This is very, very important for 9th class as well as 10th class students. This is very, very important question for 9th class as well as 10th class. So you need to find the remainder when it is divided by x plus 3. You need to use the remainder theorem. So what is the remainder theorem? Briefly I will explain. For example, say this is p of x. Say when p of x is divided Okay, 1 minute now. I shall complete the session. Today somebody is disturbing us. When p of x is divided by x plus 3, then remainder is equal to, this x plus 3 is equated to 0, x plus 3 equals to 0. So this equals to x is equal to minus 3. So that means remainder is p of minus 3. That means in this x, in the place of x, substitute minus 3, you get the remainder. So that means now write down here solution. Given, say this is p of x. P of x equals to x cube plus 2x square minus 9x minus 20. When p of x is divided by x plus 3, it leaves a remainder p of minus 3. X plus 3 means minus 3, x minus 3 means 3, like that. So find p of minus 3. So therefore remainder is equal to, this remainder we need to find out. Remainder equals to p of minus 3. So in the place of x minus 3 substitute, minus 3 cube plus 2 into minus 3 square minus 9 into 3 minus 20. So we need to simplify this one. See, minus 3 cube is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3, 9. 9 into minus 3, minus 27. So my dear students, please remember, so minus 3 whole cube is minus 27. This is minus 27. So minus 3 square. Minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus positive. 2 into 9. This is minus 27. This is minus 20. So we have minus 27 minus 27. Minus 54. Minus 54 minus 20. Minus 74. So this equals to minus 74 and go back, and 2 into 9 is 18. So plus 18. From 74 subtract 18, put the negative sign. 74 minus 18 means it. So now from 4 we cannot subtract 8, borrow 10, it becomes 6. 14 minus 8 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. So 56. This is negative 56. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, now the 10th question. 10th question. Are you there, all of you? Yes, Vamshi Tupran page. Right. 10th question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial of the polynomial x square plus ax plus b, then show that alpha square plus beta square equals to a square minus 2b. This is the question. Okay. Alpha, beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Then we need to show that alpha square plus beta square is equal to a square minus 2b, or express the value of alpha square plus beta square in terms of a comma b. So how to find out this one? Let me explain. Solution. Say this is given p of x equals to x square plus ax plus b. So now let here given, since alpha and beta are the zeros of p of x. First sum of the zeros we can find out. Sum equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means minus b by a. That is actually minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. This is original formula. So coefficient of x means here a, but minus there, minus a, upon coefficient of x square 1. So this is minus a, or minus b by a also. B is actually a is 1 here, c becomes b. Next product equals to alpha beta. Actually that is constant term upon coefficient of x square. C by a, constant term means. What is the constant term here? B. X square coefficient is 1. So that is b upon 1 equals to b. So now we need to find out alpha square plus beta square. Now consider alpha square plus beta square. So let us recall one formula in 8th class. A square plus b square equals to, we can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is a formula, algebraic formula. So alpha square plus beta square, we can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Let us substitute. Go back. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus a. Alpha beta is equal to b. So replacing here minus a whole square minus 2 times b. So minus a whole square means minus a into minus a. Minus into minus plus. So a square. So this equals to, we can write now, we can have a square minus 2 times b, 2b. Hence it is proved. I think it's clear to you. Now 11th question. 11th question. 11th question. If root 5 and minus root 5 and minus root 5 are the zeros 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 of the polynomial of the polynomial, then find the polynomial. Find the polynomial. Or this question may be given like this also. Write the polynomial. Write the polynomial whose zeros are root 5 and minus root 5. That means if zeros of the polynomial are given, how to find out the polynomial? That's a quadratic polynomial only. We need to find out. Okay, how to find out means, say this is alpha, this is beta. So first find alpha plus beta, next find alpha beta. First find sum, first find the product. Next we have the formula. I will give the formula to you. Don't worry. So how to find out means, solution root 5 and minus root 5 are the zeros of a polynomial. That means quadratic polynomial only, of a polynomial. So let us say alpha is equal to root 5 and beta is equal to minus root 5. Now find alpha plus beta. So root 5 plus of minus root 5. Root 5 minus root 5. So root 5 cancel. We have 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Next alpha beta. Alpha beta means root 5 multiplied with minus root 5. So 9th class children, 10th class children observe, plus into minus minus. Root 5 into root 5, 5. That is minus 5. Now required polynomial is given by x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, k times, better write down k times. So therefore we can write now p of x equals to k times x square minus of alpha plus beta means 0, 0 into x plus of minus 5. So this we can write k times x square minus 0 into 0 plus into minus 5 minus 5. This is k times x square minus 5. Here k does not equal to 0. This condition. This is the answer. Otherwise, you can put k is equal to 1, 2, 3, anything you can write it. If you put k is equal to 1, so put k is equal to 1. Then what do you get? Therefore, p of x equals to 1 times x square minus 5. Now answer becomes x square minus 5. This also you can write it. I hope you have understood this well, this question. Okay, next. 12th question. 12th question. 12th question. Are you there, all of you? For what value of k, for what value of k, the zeros of the polynomial, the zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial, x square minus 5x plus k or differ by 1. So it's very typical question, also important at your level, but it's very easy. We can solve it, no problem. For what value of k, the zeros of this one is differ by 1. Differ by 1 means the difference of the zeros is equal to 1. Suppose if you say the zeros are alpha, beta, so here difference of alpha, minus beta is equal to 1 given. Squaring on both sides. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to, you get 1 square. So in this one, you need to substitute alpha plus beta value and alpha beta, then you get k value. Okay, let us solve it now. Now the solution here given. So p of x equals to x square minus 5x plus k. Okay, comparing with p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Here a equals to 1, b equals to negative 5, c equals to k. Now let alpha and beta be the zeros of p of x. Now alpha plus beta find out. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. That means minus of minus 5 upon 1. This will be 5. Next find alpha beta. Alpha beta is c by a. C we do not know. K by 1. That is k. Now what is given? They differ by 1. Differ by 1 means alpha minus beta is equal to 1 given. Yes. So now what is given? Given that they differ by 1. Alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. On squaring, what do you get now here? Alpha minus beta whole square equals to 1 square. But in algebra we have very important formula. A minus b whole square is a plus b whole square minus 4ab. This formula we have. So alpha minus beta whole square we can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta equals to 1. Go back. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 5. Alpha beta is k. Let us substitute. So this is 5 square minus 4k equals to 1. Okay, 5 square is 25 minus 4k equals to 1. So minus 4k equals to 1 minus 25. So minus 4k equals to minus 24. This minus minus cancel. We get 4k equals to 24. Therefore, k equals to 24 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 6 ja. Answer is 6. So therefore, k is equal to 6. This is the answer. So understood all of you? Right. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you. See, next we have the class on Sunday. So we shall meet you on Sunday. I will give the notification to you. So today someone actually disturbed our class, but don't disturb like that. If anybody disturbs, so even also in the chat box you can actually give the click left side of his window, you will find, then give the complaint against him or her, anybody do like that. So you need to chat very careful manner, that is very important. Everything will be here recorded. So thank you once again. Bye bye. Have a nice day.